Hello everyone, this is Eric RedJet 505. So this video is going to be very cool. Please follow the links that you're going to be following by this video, because we did something super cool and we did that for you guys, and I don't think anybody will ever do something like that anymore. So what we got here, this is a helicopter propeller blade. It's for a big helicopter, Robinson actually 44. And it's a cutlet of it. One of my friends replaced a blade, so he gave me the old one. And you can see inside, this is the honeycomb, and this is actually the leading edge. It's a very strong aviation aluminum, and it looks like it's all connected together actually in a way. And of course you have the trailing edge, and this is very strong, very strong aluminum. So we decided to see what will happen if this thing will be bulletproof. The fact that it's not military grade and it's actually on a civilian helicopter, what will happen when we're gonna actually go and shoot it. So there are gonna be a couple links over there and over here to the video later that when we shot it, but I want to show you the result. So we say, okay, what happens if someone actually will end up shooting it, you know, like, and a bullet will hit the blade somewhere. So then we took this, and this was a cutlet of that part over there, and we start shooting it at the shooting range. So the first two holes was this one and that one. So ignore this for a second. So this was a clean in and very clean out, and it was very cool actually. And then we start abusing it and shooting it while the blade was sideways. So those long cuts that you guys see actually were from a bullet that actually got in from here in an angle and got shot from outside. So this piece, after it fell sideways, while we were shooting it, the bullet was actually cutting this blade sideways, but it's still, the structural integrity of this thing is just amazing, because it's don't feel like we actually hurt it a lot. And here, this is actually a really cool actually peel. I shot couple rounds that gone actually through the side over here, and actually this is a really cool because it's the bullet got in from here, and you end up open it like literally like a sardine can, open it backwards, but then in the other side it's kind of roll it like it was really interesting. Look at this real quick, the entry and exit. So the bullet actually enter from here, and then it's pushed everything out. If you see the pressure gone from here and open this thing out, and it's actually end up really cool. I'm really happy with the result of this. Now here, what happened, one of the bullets that gone through there, okay, this is going to be very interesting. So a bullet that ran through here end up hitting the leading edge, and the impact was so strong. The impact was right here. You can see it actually, the dent from the bullets. You see it like over here, right there. This is the bullet denting it. Okay, if you look in the other side, it's nice and round. And here, the bullet actually hit and dented from inside. And this was very cool because what it did, it actually opened and separate the two parts of the leading edge. So you have over here the leading edge, and then you have the upper and lower covers, and it just opened. And then after it did that, the bullet actually exploded to smithereens and destroyed over here the honeycomb. So the entire honeycomb of this material, the aluminum, it's like honeycomb inside, it's completely opened up. So this was actually a very cool scientific experiment actually to see, and this was kind of a flag. This happened by coincidence. Now when we look all around and you can see the small exits, those was clean shots that we did before 1, 2 and 3, and this was from very far with the 308. Those are actually from bullets of 5.56. So stay tuned, I'm gonna make a couple more video and show you some more cool stuff. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. RedJet 505. Bye.